Hi everyone, it's Lisa with InkandInspirations.com. Thanks for joining me today. Welcome to week 4 of the 12 weeks of Halloween, and we're going to be making this little box, and it holds a regular size Kit Kat bar. This is the kind I think you can buy at the checkout stand, right there. So anyway, I am going to show you the products that we're going to be using on this. The box base is Granny Apple Green, and it is cut at 3 3/4 by 8 3/4, and we're going to do some scoring there. I'm going to show you how I scored that. Then Gorgeous Grape is cut at 2 1/2 by 3 3/4. A piece of the Toil and Trouble Designer Series paper is cut at 2 1/4 by 3 1/2. And then I have some scratch, Granny Apple Green and Basic Black. We're going to be punching some circles there. And then I cut out a little witch hat from this colorful page of witch hats that I thought was so cute from the Designer Series paper. And let's get started with the scoring. Okay, I'm putting the, let's see, 3 3/4 inch piece at the top. And then I'm scoring at 1/2, and I scored at 3 1/4. And then turn and put the 8 3/4 inch piece at the top, side at the top, and I scored at 4 1/8, okay, and 4 5/8. All right, and you can get 2 of these boxes out of 1 sheet of cardstock. Okay, let's put that Simply Scored aside, and we're going to fold on all of these score lines. I love this color, and I love it combined with the Gorgeous Grape for Halloween. So fun and bright. And these little hats, I call them witches' hats, but I think they look like Harry Potter hats and from the different houses. If you watch Harry Potter or have read Harry Potter. All right, let's do some cutting on this, okay? I am going to cut up on these score lines here, just like this. Okay, and I'm going to make it a little easier and cut little angles off here. Okay. All right. Now I'm going to take my adhesive, and for this part I'm using snail. Okay, and then I'm just going to pull up one of the sides here and attach it like this. Okay, and I'm going to press on it to give it a good hold, and do the same with this side. And you could use liquid glue as well. Okay, and then these two sides are going to come around like this. So to keep that good and strong, I'm going to go ahead and use tear and tape. So I'm putting it on the inside here. Okay, let me cut that off here, or I'm going to be fighting that. And if you don't do Halloween treats, you can always use this idea for Christmas or birthday party favors. It'd be fun, and they're easy. And they make a really neat little box. Okay, I pulled off the white paper off the tear and tape, and I'm going to match those sides up and just bring it over, and this forms the box. Just like that. Okay, so now we can start embellishing it. So I'm going to take the piece of Gorgeous Grape and apply that to the box front. All right, then the little frogs. We're going to go right here. All right, and then we're going to take the 2-inch circle punch and punch circle from Granny Apple Green, and then the 2 1/4-inch circle punch and punch a basic black circle. All right. I'm going to do that. Then we're just going to take the little hat and fussy cut it out. And I leave just a little bit of the white so that I don't cut into the hat itself or whatever I'm cutting. Try not to cut right on the line. And then I thought it needed something else here. So I've got this black metallic thread. Okay, and I'm going to take my hat and put some adhesive on the back of that, and then just take and cut some of this off. I don't know how much, you know, it depends on how much you have and how much you need. I just like to wad it up, make it messy. There's not really any rhyme or reason to it. And stick it on the back here. And you want some loops, you know, coming out, and just play with it until you make it look like you want to. Like you want it to. Okay, I think that's good. I'm going to cut this a little bit. Okay, and then that's going to go over top just like that. That's so fun. And as I'm recording these videos, I have very limited supplies here with me in Texas. I have my everything. We had to come home in a hurry because my husband was sick, and I just am having to make do with what I have here. So that's why I have this set with the coordinating stamp set that goes with that. I can't even think of the name of it, but y'all know it's got the little spider web and witch, and just really cute. And so anyway, I thought I had the designer paper. Well, I ordered some, and I thought, okay, I'm just going to make do with what I have until I can get back to my supplies. So just goes to show you can make do with what you have in a pinch. But we like stuff to craft with. I miss my stuff. Okay, there's a little hat. Now I'm going to take the Whisper White piece I have here for stamping, and I'm going to take Gorgeous Grape, and I picked a sentiment from that Trick or Tweet, Scare Up a Little Fun. Thought that would be cute. And I'm just inking this up. Love this color. And stamping. Let me close this. Okay. Cut up like that. And I'm just cutting it out. Just not worrying if it's a perfect straight line or even, it's good. And then we're going to kind of angle it right there. But I think I want a Stampin' Dimensional if I can find one. Here's one right here, luckily. Let's just put one of those on the back. And pop that up. And this ribbon here is from that Halloween suite. It's a glitter organdy ribbon, I believe, in black. It's so cute. All right, there's our project for this week. I hope you liked it. And you know, you could fit probably several different types of items in here. Maybe not more than one. I mean, just different things like little snack bags of treats. Okay, just experiment with it and have fun. Okay, if you have questions, let me know. Visit my website for the details, dimensions, and all of that. And I will see you again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.